afternoon, everyone. Let's start. Today we will continue enjoying our time solving calculus funny problems, okay? But please write your name and student ID, okay? So write your name and student ID here. So I will take screenshots after after we finish the lecture, okay? Because it's more efficient. Taking a screenshot of them more efficient than writing by hand by myself, right? Now you need to participate, okay? Now let's see. Yes. Now Aisha, I need your help, but before that, let's admit. Yes.
Okay, Professor.
Just 1 second. Uh, yes. Yes, I need your help with this activity. But let me admit
Okay.
the student. I think that's it. Ah, yes, there is one here. So we need to differentiate y equals 2 secant x minus cosecant x.
Yeah.
Y prime equals what?
So the y and the x will be 2. Is that sec x?
Yes, secant x.
Okay. It's going to be 2 sec x tan x minus the minus again inside the bracket cosec x cot x.
Yes, thank you.
Come.
Please write your name and student ID, okay? Because I need to take attendance, so remember to write your name and student ID. Good. Now let's take the next problem. Now we have problem 17. Let's take all of these because they are. Now, Ayan,
Yes,
please help me with problem 17.
problem 17. Okay, sec x into tan x. First, we have to use the product rule.
Yes.
So sec square x into sec x.
So you are differentiating which one first?
Tan x first.
Yes. Let's write secant theta then as it is. Then
Okay,
derivative of tan theta is secant squared.
into sec x square.
Then plus.
Yeah. Plus sec into tan.
Just 1 second. Uh, I need to let them. What's the problem here? Ah, yes. Yes, let's continue.
Plus sec into tan square. Sec theta into tan square. Yeah.
Yes, because the derivative of secant theta is secant theta tan
Yeah.
theta, and tan theta the same
Yeah.
thing.
Tan theta into tan.
So this becomes secant cubed theta plus secant theta tan squared theta. Thank you. Now, now Bishop,
Yes, sir.
I need your help with problem 18.
Yes, okay, sure.
G prime of theta equals what? Which one do you want to start differentiating at? It's a product rule, right?
Yes.
Let's start with e to theta. E to theta, the derivative of e to theta is the same thing, right? So e to theta,
Yes.
what's the derivative of tan theta? Secant squared theta, right? Minus
Yes.
minus 1, right? Now plus, now now differentiate e to theta, just e to theta. Keep tan theta minus theta the same thing, right? Good.
Yes.
Now we can take e to theta as common factor if we want to simplify, or keep the answer as it is, no problem. So secant squared theta plus tan theta minus theta minus 1. Thank you. Now, David,
Yes, Mr.
I need your help with problem 19, but I will make more space. Uh, yes. Just 1 second. So we have x over 2 minus tan x, right? How to differentiate this?
No, Professor, it's x over 2 minus tan x.
Yes. So y prime equals what?
So we have to use the quotient rule, which means we're going to do the top equation derived multiplied by the bottom
So
minus,
yes,
yes,
times 2 minus tan
2 minus tan x
minus
minus
x
x, and then
minus
2
secant
minus
squared.
tan x becomes, yes, minus secant squared x over uh, 2 minus tan x, everything squared.
Thank you. Now, now, Dahi,
Yes.
please help me with question 20. Do you know how to solve it? Limit sine
Uh,
x over sine by x as x goes to 0.
no, actually, I don't. Could you explain it?
Then let me help you. So, first we have this. We have this rule. Limit as x goes to 0 of sine x over x equals 1. Good? Now, can you
Yeah.
solve it now?
Yeah, you have to turn it into that.
Just 1 second. Uh, yes, let's continue. So, we can divide up and down by x, right?
Yeah.
So, let's divide by x, divide by x. Then you get what? You get limit as x goes to 0 sine x over x over sine by x
Over X.
over x. But here you have by x, down you have x. What should I do? Multiply by, like this, right?
Yeah.
Now, up this one equals 1, right? Down you have by times this also equals 1. So just 1 over by, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Now let's take the next problem. Now, Ayman. Do you hear me? See your name. It's Ayman, right? Do you hear me? Okay, no problem. But remember to write your name and student ID, okay, for attendance. Did you all write your name and student ID?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now let's continue. Now Elias,
Yes, Professor.
I need your help with the problem 21.
Professor, I'm not sure where to start.
Okay, I will help you. So here we have limit as x goes to 0. We can write secant as 1 over cosine, right? So 1 over 1 minus cosine x over 2x. Good?
Yes,
But before that, this problem is of the form 0 over 0, right? So we really need to simplify. Now multiply up and down by cosine x. So limit as x goes to 0, you have cosine x minus 1 over 2x cosine x. Next, but before next, let's make some space. I think these problems take space more than, so I will keep them here and then take them later. So let's continue. You remember the identity 1 minus cosine squared x equals sine squared x. Good. Now I need to multiply by something to get this sine squared, okay? So I can multiply by what? I can multiply by, if you want, you can multiply by, you can take minus 1 as common factor. Let's rewrite this cosine x minus 1. It's the same as what? Minus 1 minus cosine x, right? Now multiply by 1 plus cosine x. Down, multiply by 1 plus cosine x, same idea. So the next step we have limit as x goes to 0. You have negative 1 minus cosine squared. But what is 1 minus cosine squared? It's sine squared, right? So we have minus sine squared. Let's write it. Minus sine squared x over 2x cosine x 1 plus cosine x. Good. Now you have as follows. You have limit as x goes to 0. You have minus sine x over 2 times sine x over x. Do you see the idea now? 1 over cosine x 1 plus cosine x. What's the limit of this part? 1 over 1 plus 1, right? So it's 1 over 2. So it exists, right? This part 1, right? So it exists. This one 0. Are you good with this? Is it clear?
Yes, Professor, it's clear.
Now you can distribute the limit if you want. You can distribute it over multiplication because each one exists. But one step, let's do it one step. It will be 0 times these numbers, right? So it's just 0. Do you have questions about this? Let's go to the next problem, if you don't have questions. Ah, we forgot this one. No, I mean this one will be after the problems that I moved back. So now let's solve 22 now. Just 1 second. Now Faisal.
Hello?
Yes. I need your help with problem 22. Do you know how to solve it?
I'm not sure, to be honest.
Okay, I will help you. These problems you solve them by experience. I will tell you what I mean. I mean that it's not a problem if you can't solve it because it's natural that you cannot solve it before knowing the idea because such a problems you need. So now when I tell you the idea, you will help me. So the first step, I will tell you the first step. You will divide by theta up and down. Okay. So this becomes limit as theta goes to 0 sine theta over theta. By this part, do you know? Do you see the idea now? You know, sine theta over theta is 1, right?
Yeah.
Now theta down, distribute division. You get theta over theta is 1 plus tan theta over theta. But what is tan? It's sine over cosine, right? So let's write it as sine over cosine. So we have sine theta over theta cosine theta. This is the same thing as tan theta over theta. Now up it's 1, right? Good, it's 1.
Correct.
Now here, sine theta over theta, down, it's also 1, right? 1 over cosine 0, also 1, right? So the result here is 1 over 1 plus 1, which is half. 1 over 2. Are you good with this?
Okay, it's easy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Now Hannah.
Yes.
Now I need your help with problem 23. I will take it and then we solve it.
Okay.
So problem 23 we have find the limit 1 minus tan x over sine x minus cosine x as x goes to pi over 4. First step, also for the above problems, you substitute.
Substitute.
Get 0 over 0,
value.
right? Then you need to simplify, right? So
Yes.
0 over 0. Note here that tan pi over 4 is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Down, 1 over square
Okay.
root of 2 minus 1 over square root of 2 is 0. So it's 0 over 0. Do you have idea how to solve it?
Yeah. First, we're gonna make tan theta a sine over cosine.
Yes, perfect. So limit as x goes to pi over 4. We have 1 minus sine x. It's better than last time, but it is still slow. The computer, right? Now sine x minus cosine x.
Okay, to simplify furthermore, we need to multiply the numerator and denominator by cosine x.
Yes, thank you. So times cosine x times cosine x. Now we get what? We get the following. We have limit as x goes to pi over 4. You have cosine x minus sine x over sine x minus cosine x times cosine x. Sometimes it's better not to multiply things. Keep them as they
Yeah.
are because you may have cancellation, right?
Yeah, so the numerator is the negative of the factor in the denominator, so it's going to be -1.
Yes.
-1 over cosine x, it's
1 over square root of 2.
-2 over pi square of 2. So,
Yes.
yeah.
Thank you. These problems are nice, right? I was professional in solving these 8 years ago. I was better than now because that time I solved harder than this. Now let's continue. Now the next problem we have differentiate. These are very easy. I think the limits were harder, right? Now differentiating, very easy. I know it's boring to tell you to solve this one, but now Maria.
Yes, Professor.
Yeah, sorry to give you this boring problem, but I need your help with it. Differentiate the function 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 4. What's the derivative?
First we'll multiply
2 times 3, right? Which is 6. Then subtract 1 from the exponent, it becomes 6x squared
3 with 2, so 6x squared.
minus 10x. The derivative of 4 is 0, so plus 0, no need
And
to write
then
that. Thank you. Now Nu'man.
Yes.
Yes, I need your help with problem 2. Do you know how to solve it? Differentiate 1 over cube root of x squared minus 1.
No, not sure.
Okay, I will show you. First, you need to write it similar to x to n, okay? So the root, how to write the root as exponent, I will show you. So this equals 1 over x squared minus 1 power it's a cube root, so 1 over 3, right? Then to make it up, you multiply the exponent by minus 1, so it's x squared minus 1 power minus 1 over 3. Now you use chain rule. I will tell you. So f prime of x equals, but let me show you the chain rule first. The chain rule, it's as follows. When you have fg of x, so there is inner function, this is inner, this is outer, right? When you differentiate, you have derivative of outer f prime of g of x. So g of x, you don't change it inside f prime. Then you multiply by the derivative of inner, g prime of x. So this is the chain rule. So let's solve now. So we have f prime of x equals, you also will use the formula for x to n. How to differentiate x to n? Nx to n minus 1. Now you can solve it. So you have minus 1 over 3. You put minus 1 over 3 as it is, times x squared minus 1 as it is, power minus 1 over 3 minus 1. So minus 1 over 3 minus 1. Minus 1 is the same as 3 over 3. Then this is the same as minus 4 over 3. Then derivative of inner, right? Which is 2x. Because x squared, the derivative is 2x. Minus 1, the derivative is 0. Thank you, Norman. Now the next one. Now look at the screen and tell me how to say your name.
Professor, my name is Ajint.
What is it? Agent?
Ajint.
Agent?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I need your help. I will give you the problem now. Yes, agent. Differentiate cosine squared theta. Do you know how to do it?
Yes, Professor.
So the derivative is
First, it would be 2 cosine theta,
yes.
and then minus sine theta.
And if you want to write it as identity, you can write minus sine 2 theta. Right?
Yes, Professor.
Thank you. Perfect. Now, make sure that you all wrote your name and student ID, okay? Now, Saif. Saif Muhammad. Saif Muhammad. Saif. Samha.
Yes.
Okay, I will need your help with problem 4.
Okay. So first of all, we'll say y prime equals 5 to the power of square root x all prime. All goes to prime. Like I'm doing it as the professor, so
You need to. I mean, you want to write it similar to formula, right?
yes,
So prime of this
exactly. And then I'll say
square root of x prime.
yeah.
Yeah.
And
Thank you.
then it will be y prime equals 5 to the power of
Square
root
root of x.
square root x
Yes.
len square root x.
Len 5. Right.
Oh, sorry, len 5. Multiply it by 1 over 2 square root of x.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Now, Saif. Shayan.
Yes.
I need your help with problem 5.
You'll use the product rule
Yeah.
and the chain rule.
So g prime of z equals.
1 minus 4 z
So
square 2.
1 minus. So you want to start differentiating the square root then, right?
Yeah.
So 1 minus 4z squared. What's the derivative of the root?
1 over 2 z square plus 1. Yeah.
Z squared plus 1 times.
1 over 2. Yeah, multiply by 2z.
Yeah, thank you. Plus
Plus
2 times the derivative of 1 minus 4z squared.
yeah,
2 minus 1 minus 4z times
yeah,
derivative of nr. What's the derivative of nr?
4.
Minus 4, right?
Yeah.
Then the square root as it is. Square root of z
Okay.
squared plus 1. Thank you. Now, after that, we have Tariq. Tariq, right? Tariq Ismail or Ayman. Ayman Tariq. Do you hear me? Saif? Saif Muhannad? Okay, your mic is not working. No problem. What about Saif Muhannad? Now, Yusuf. Usually, I ask you the first one, right?
Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
Now, I need I need your help with this problem.
Okay, so we have a quotient rule and chain rule.
As you
So we
like,
start by doing yeah, we can start by doing the derivative of the outside, which is 1 over 2 square root, and then the inside.
Yeah. So S prime of t equals 1 over 2 square root of the same thing, right?
Yes.
1 plus cosine t.
And we multiply by, so we start with 1 plus cosine t times cosine t. That's the derivative of 1 plus sine t.
Minus.
Then minus sine t times 1 plus sine t.
Then 1 plus sine t, right?
Yes.
Over.
Then 1 plus cosine t square.
Yeah, thank you.
No problem.
Now, what's next? You decide whether you want to simplify more or not. For example, I think we can simplify a little bit, right? I mean, just this part, we can simplify it if we want.
Let's keep it. Let's keep it. Our professor says he will remove marks when we simplify.
So let's keep it.
Yes.
It's better for all of us. Now, Zaydan.
Yes.
Now, I will give you a nice problem. Let's hope it's a nice problem. Yes, it's really nice problem. No, it's problem 7. I think you decide whether it's nice problem or not, because it depends on your opinion, right?
Yeah.
Do you consider it a nice problem?
It's good. Yeah.
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 So g prime of x equals what?
Okay. So it's gonna be
Which one you want to start differentiating?
so we'll start minus e of minus raised to power minus x.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's the derivative of e to minus x? Minus.
It's gonna be minus e
Yes. Then cosine x squared. The same
raised
thing.
to the power cosine x squared plus e raised to the power of minus x
Yes.
into minus 2x sine x squared.
So minus sine x squared. Then inner is 2x.
Yes.
Thank you. Now problem 8. Problem 8, I think I asked all of you. So we'll get back from the start. So problem 8 now. No. I think let me close this one because it's annoying. Make sure that you all write your names and student ID. Now I will ask now Aisha. Do you hear me?
Yes, Professor.
Yeah. I need your help again. Now
Okay.
differentiate the function sine e to x over 1 plus e to x.
Okay, we will differentiate the inside.
You want to start from the inner?
Yeah.
As you like. Because multiplication is commutative, you can start from what you want. So
Okay.
yes, tell me.
Yeah, so we have the differential of e to the x.
Is e to x
It's
the same thing?
Yeah, it's the same, it doesn't change.
1 plus e to x, same thing.
Yeah.
Minus
e to the x
e to x,
of
derivative,
e to the x,
derivative of 1 plus e to x now. What is it?
e to the x
Yeah.
divided by 1 plus e to the x all that squared.
Yeah. Thank you. Now what? Again, if you want
You
to
can.
simplify, you can. You will get, I think, 1 over 1 plus e to x squared. Ah, we forgot important thing. I think it's better not to start from inner because I will
Oh
give
yeah,
you
we
the
forgot the
argument.
sign. Okay, it becomes cos.
Yeah, cosine.
Yeah,
It seems very dangerous to start from inner
yeah.
because I forgot the.
1 plus e to the x.
Yeah, now it's good.
Yeah.
Now this part, if someone wants to simplify it, it will be just 1 because you have e to 2x. No, no, it's not 1. It will
No,
be e
it's
to
not
x.
1.
It will
E
be
to the x.
yeah. This is the
Yeah.
simplified. Now let's continue. Now problem 9. Who wants to solve problem 9? I think I will keep going in order. Uh, Now Ayman.
Yes.
Yeah, I need your help with this one.
I'm not sure.
Okay, I will help you. This one you will use chain rule. So f prime of x. Let's start from outer. Outer is easy, right? Because exponential. When you have exponential, the derivative is the same thing, right? This is the derivative of outer. E to sine squared x squared. Now derivative of inner, which is sine squared x squared. You will use chain rule. You have 2 sine x squared. This problem is really dangerous. It has nearly 4 or 5 chain rules, right? So 2 sine x squared. Good. What's the inner now? You need to be careful. It's sine, right? So you have cosine x squared. Then what's the inner now? X squared. What's the derivative of x squared? It's good like this, right? Let's check our solution again. So first we start with e. The outer is the same thing, right? This is good. Then we start differentiating sine squared, which is 2 sine x squared. Then the inner is sine. Derivative of sine is cosine x squared. Now the inner is x squared, 2x. The inner is x. Derivative is 1. But we don't write 1 usually because it's just 1, right? Are you good with this? Do you have questions?
Professor, shouldn't it be cos square x square?
Which one?
Yes, like
This one?
maybe a different. Yeah, this one. Shouldn't it be cos square x square?
Yeah, it is cosine squared.
Here is not cos x square, right?
I mean, it's the derivative of sine, right?
Yes,
So it's cosine.
but like if we directly take sine square x square, then it should be cos square x square.
Mm, let me tell you again. So you have first you have the derivative of sine squared, right? So you start
Yes.
2 sine x squared. Then the inner is sine x squared, right?
Okay, so in
Sine.
chain rule,
Now you consider
it turns into sine
sine
x
is
square.
outer, right?
Yes, Professor.
So it becomes cosine x squared. But you still have another inner, which is x squared. So 2x. Is it good now?
Yes.
Yeah. Now Ayan.
Yes.
I will give you your problem now. You have problem 10. Let's hope you like it. So we have this. But first, let's write what is the formula of tangent line. Find an equation of tangent line to the curve at the given point. I will give you the equation first, then you help me solving it. So you have
Yes,
point slope equation, I mean, or formula, call it whatever you want. The point, I will write general formula first. Call this one, for example, x1, y1. The point is x1, y1. Slope is m. So the equation is y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. Then what? Let's write
So
it
first
before
we have
f.
to differentiate.
This one becomes f of a when we want to find for tangent. M is f prime of a. Good. X1 is
Yes.
a. Now let's work in this. What's the first step?
First step is differentiating the function, the equation.
So y prime of x equals what?
Equals 1 by 2. Denominator is root of 1 plus x cubed
Times.
into 3x squared.
Yeah. Thank you. Now
Mm.
y prime of 2 equals what?
I have to substitute the values. So
You have 3
3
times
into 4, 12
12 over 2
by
square root of
2 root of 9.
so 12 by 2 times 3 6 equals 2.
That's 2.
Now we just substitute in the formula, right?
Yes.
So we have y minus f of
Y minus 3
is given already. It's y minus 3 equals
is equal to 2 into x minus 2.
Yeah. And if you want to simplify as you like, this equals 2x minus 4. Then you move plus 3 both sides equals y equals 2x minus 1. Good?
Yes.
Thank you. Now, what's the next problem? Let's hope it's a nice problem. Wow, it's really a nice problem. Who wants to enjoy this problem with me? You may tell me we are not enjoying. Because not all people like math. Do you like math?
Only when you understand it, you'll like it.
But that's not real love. I will tell you why. Because myself, few years ago, when I didn't understand things and it was very hard on me, I decided to keep loving math, even though it's hard and I don't understand. So you need to understand it. I mean, you need to like it, even if you don't understand. Good. Now after
Good.
now, Bishar,
Yes, sir.
do you like math?
Yes, I love it.
Then let's enjoy solving this problem together. We have at what point on the curve y equals square root of 1 plus 2x is the tangent line perpendicular to the line 6x plus 2y equals 1? Do you know how to solve it?
Yeah, I think.
Okay. What's your idea?
Perpendicular means, I think this like the
The angle between them
multiplication of the two slopes.
the angle between them is 90 degrees.
Yes, multiplication of two slopes, I think, is -1, right?
Yeah, exactly. You are right. So first, so you need to find the slope of this line, right? Good.
Yes.
We solve for y. We have 2y equals 1 minus 6x. Divide both sides by 2. You get y equals half minus 6 over 2, which is 3. What's the slope?
-3.
Yeah, thank you. Then, what's the derivative of this function?
2 over radical 1 plus 2x.
2 over 2 square root of 1 plus 2x, right?
Oh, yes, sorry.
Because the root, 1 over 2 square root, then derivative of inner is 2. So now you can cancel 2 if you want. So you have just 1 over the square root. Now you told me that they are perpendicular if their product is, for example, call this m1 of x, okay? Because I didn't substitute x yet. It's a slope, right? At x. Now we need to solve the equation what? m1 of x times m equals what? Minus 1, right? Good?
Yes.
So m1 of x times minus 3 equals
1 over
minus
3.
1. Divide both sides by minus 3, you get what?
1 over 3.
Good. So where is that? Yes, it's here. 1 over 3. Let's put the derivative here. It's 1 over 2, no, without 2, because we cancelled 2. Square root of 1 plus 2x equals 1 over 3. Here you have numerator equals numerator. So denominator must equal denominator, right? So
Yeah.
square root of 1 plus 2x equals 3.
X is 4.
Yeah, because you know that 1 plus 2x is 9. When you solve, you get 4. Are you good with this?
Yes.
Thank you. Now, do you have questions about this? Is it clear for all of you? So x equals 4, but we need to find the value of y, right? The value of y will be 3, because y equals what? Square root of 1 plus 2x. So let's substitute x in the y value. Y equals square root of 1 plus 2 times 4. You get the square root of 9. You get 3. So the point is 43. 43. It's similar to 43. Now let's continue. Now David, I need your help again.
Okay, Professor.
I think it will be you will be the last one to help me today, right? Because
If we go quickly, if we don't go quickly.
now problem 12. Yes. So h prime of x equals what?
Chain rule, it will be
1 over 2 the square root.
1 over 2 f of prime.
First start with the root, which is the outer. The derivative of outer is 1 over 2 this square root, right?
Yeah.
Then times derivative of inner. So multiply by 3 f prime of x. Are you good with this?
Yeah. Wait, Professor, why did you multiply up above?
You can multiply here if you want. Same idea. But you
Okay.
can put it up if you want. Now, we want h prime of 1, right?
Yeah.
So h prime of 1 equals 3 f prime of 1
It's
over
over 2, what's it called? 4 plus 3 f prime. F normal, not prime.
f of 1. Thank you. Now, this equals what? 3 times
You
4
substitute 3 times 4, it's 12, so 12 above.
over 2 square root of 4 plus
3 times 7.
which is 21, right?
Yeah, okay.
So it will be 12 over 10, which is 1.2.
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you. Now, Do you think we have enough time to find the thousandth derivative of f of x equals x e to minus x? Do you think we have time, or there is a clever idea that we can solve this very fast? What do you think? What do you think, Dahi?
كلاس بالظبط خلاص.
So yes, let's stop. But what do you think? Would you differentiate this 1,000 times, or there is clever idea? There is a clever idea, right? Did you all write your names? Let's stop here. Now I will take a screenshot of these names. Okay? If your name is not written here, then you didn't attend, okay?
Thank you, Professor.
You are welcome. So if you didn't answer me, I think the whole lecture, right? Safe? Did you pay attention in the lecture? Did you attend? Then we have up to Nu'man, then now Ilyas. Ilyas to Shayan. This section is very good section. Now Shayan, after Shayan. Maria. Yes. Now Maria to Bishop. Now after Bishop. Ayman to Saif, he answered me that his my connection is poor. Now I see that you wrote me. Sorry, I didn't see it. Now, did you take all names like this? I need to take Ayman, right? Now I stop recording, so you see that I took all names, so there is no mistake. Good. We stop now.